then get to the other side of the road. Spent the day in a couple of towns below Saigon, about an hour south of Saigon, Ho Chi Minh, experiencing what it's like to live out in the countryside, or they call it suburbs, literally just the flat. Reminds me, I think it's Sacramento, because I know Sacramento has rice paddies everywhere. There's those little subdivisions of homes, rice paddies in the middle of everything. Experiencing coffee too, like basically coffee in Vietnam is they could put condensed milk at the bottom of a glass, put coffee in it, and then put ice in it. The only difference is how they make the coffee, what kind of coffee, and then put as much condensed milk in it as you want, I suppose. It's like automatic sweetener, I guess. I'll never drink coffee the same way. I only had like 2 or 3 cups of coffee back in America a week. Now it seems like I have it every day, sometimes twice a day. I'm addicted to coffee now, thanks to Vietnam. See, I don't know, that's where we're gonna go. We'll land this ferry right there.
Hello.
Ferry life.
Ủa rồi bật xe xong chưa?
Let's dock this baby. This video off. Is that like the original ferry or something? Or it's just a castaway pirate ship from like Vietnam or something. I've seen some headstones from like 1960s. Very interesting. I hope the cops don't catch me. I don't have a driver's license yet, but definitely want to get back in November and get a driver's license. They need more American drivers around here. You know what I mean? Alright, I think we're about docked. This guy's just not even waiting. He's like, I'm bombing out of here on this motorcycle. I'm out.